Greetings, my name is Andy Anderson and welcome to the last version of Adobe Illustrator you will ever buy. Well, maybe that's not all that accurate, but it's all in a name. We are dealing with Illustrator Creative Cloud, not Creative Suite, Photoshop CC, InDesign CC. The new way we get our software is through the cloud. Now, I see no versions coming up like Creative Suite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This would have been Creative Suite 7. It's now CC. We will then be paying a monthly subscription. Now, we don't need to worry about that. That's all part of how you get your applications. But look at it this way. If you're like me and you upgrade your programs on a regular basis, it's actually cheaper with the monthly subscription than if every, year and a half or so you upgrade and get everything all new all over again. So it's actually a good way to do it, and the upgrades come whenever they're ready. So that's kind of neat too. But let's talk about what we're doing. This is Adobe Illustrator. Let's not worry about the cloud part. Let's worry about Adobe Illustrator. This is an essentials course on Adobe Illustrator. What we are going to do, or what I'm going to try to do here, is get you running in the program. Get your feet on the ground and start going. We're going to talk about essential aspects of the application. We're going to have some fun too, and we are going to do some creative stuff. So this is all about Adobe Illustrator Creative Cloud. Who'd have thought it? Let's get started.